Hi everyone, it's Marieta. Welcome to today's live. This is day 3 of free training, E2 versus EB5. So today I'm going to talk about basically, I'm going to break down the difference between E2 and EB5 legal costs. So I'm going to mention the legal costs when it comes to E2 visa, non-immigrant visa type, and then when it comes to EB5. So guys, I'm going to wait for you to tune in and then I'm going to start. I'm also going to share this video so you guys can join, more of you guys can join. And we are going to start in a second. By the way, share this video with people who need this information and your friends, family, whoever needs this information, make sure to share this video so everybody can join because this is live Q&A and I'm happy to answer your questions. Obviously, if you are watching replay, then it's fine. You can still leave a comment and I will reply later. So let me just share this video and then I'm going to start. If you missed yesterday's video, yesterday I was talking about advantages of EB5 and the day 1 was about advantages of E2. So make sure to go back and watch those videos first because you will understand what I'm talking about in this live. Okay, so let me just share that and we're going to start. Let me know who is there, where you're from. Hi Mirza, how are you? And why you want to move to the US? And this is typically a question that I always ask when I talk to people. When you guys book a consultation, I always ask this question because I do want to know your intention. What's your why? Why you want to actually move to US? Like, why you want to do that? Why you want to start business in the United States? Like, it's so important to understand what's your why. Hi Mirza, I'm good. Thanks for asking. Okay, I'm going to share this and we are going to start. Okay, cool. So, like I said, if you missed yesterday, make sure to go back and watch those videos first. Yesterday I was talking about the EB5 advantages and disadvantages as well. And also day 1 I was talking about E2 advantages. So before I actually jump into the legal costs, I do want to mention that what's the main difference between E2 and EB5, okay? So E2 is non-immigrant visa type. So that allows you to move to the United States, manage your business, as long as you run your business, right? Some countries put limitations on how many times you can actually extend. But there are countries that don't put any limitations. That means like it depends on the treaty between your country and the United States. You can actually extend multiple times as long as you run your business, as long as it's active, as long as you are engaged actively with the business, as long as you are producing profit, as long as you are paying taxes, you can keep extending this visa. But it's not necessarily immigrant visa type. Immigrant means like you will become a permanent resident, okay? That's the main difference. With EB5, you are becoming permanent resident and there is a direct path to US citizenship. Therefore, you need to invest more if you want to buy this US citizenship. In case of EB5, you have to invest a minimum $500,000 or $1 million. When it comes to $500,000, it's oftentimes called indirect investment because you are investing into regional center projects. In that case, like yesterday I was discussing these advantages, like you don't necessarily have control over your funds. So if you do want to have a control over your funds, then you need to consider either direct investment, which is going to be $1 million, and you're directly going to control your commercial enterprise, or you can invest $500,000 into areas that are with high unemployment rate or rural areas. So the minimum is $500,000 or $1 million. Now we are expecting change. There is going to be increase. So this information I'm providing you right now are valid right now till September. So expect increase. Therefore, if you want to invest, you should do it right now before the increase actually happens. So that's the main difference, okay? With E2 visa, you, like I said, you are not getting direct path to residency. So if your end goal is to get a PR, right, or later on a citizenship, you should consider EB5. However, again, you need to watch those videos yesterday and day 1 when I was talking about advantages versus disadvantages so you can actually understand deeper what's better for you because everyone has different needs, different business needs, family goals, personal goals. I don't know what's your goal. Therefore, I cannot tell you exact best strategy for you. If you don't want to wait, let's say you want to be in US right away, then you should go with E2. Now, on the other hand, if you are not from a treaty country, then you need to go with EB5 because only people from E2 treaty countries can apply for E2. Let me give you an example. Chinese nationals, they are not from a treaty country. Even though they want to apply for E2, they cannot. And therefore, you see so many Chinese going through different channels, like they go to Grenada, they pay, invest, get a citizenship, and then under that citizenship, they move to United States. See what I mean? So it really depends on you, your country, your goals, your strategy, your long-term goals. What do you want to accomplish with your business? Do you really care about return on investment? Or is it just for the sake of getting a green card, etc.? Different things, different objectives, different goals. And based on that, the best strategy needs to be laid out for you. Now, what are the legal costs? Okay? People come to me and they think that, they read different forums, different blogs, and they think they are experts. So they think that they are experts, they know how much things cost, they know what's involved, they know what kind of work is involved. And to me, it's a little bit like surprising, like you discuss, obviously you have different attorneys, they have different opinions, right? So tip number one, if you want to hire someone who's going to help you with E2 visa, make sure to focus on someone who has experience with E2 visas, okay? Not with general immigration. Because people think just because someone is claiming it's immigration lawyer, they understand E2 visas. Not so much. E2 visas and EB5, it's totally different industry within the immigration field. So if you're gonna pay $3,000, $5,000 to someone who is not expert in the field of E2 or EB5, I cannot see that coming for you, because typically immigration lawyers who are dealing with EB5, E2 petitions are charging, when it comes to E2 visa, anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 when it comes to investor visas. When it comes to EB5, expect minimum $40,000 to $75,000 on legal fees. This is reality because it's a complex filing. Actually, EB5 is one of the most complex filings out there within the immigration field. E2 visa is also complex because it requires the business skills, and it also requires business plan, corporate structure, and then the visa. The visa is just a part. If you don't have a good strategy, you're not going to get the visa approval, E2 visa approval. Understand the difference. There is a difference between E2 and B1. People think because B1 is called business visa, automatically you can do business in the United States. And that is absolutely not true. With B1 visa, you cannot do any business in the United States. All you can do, you can travel to US, attend a meeting, maybe a business meeting, maybe a conference, maybe negotiate the deal. But if you want to live in the United States, and if you want to manage your business, if you have already incorporated LLC or corporation under B1, that is illegal. So make sure to understand the difference, okay? B visa stamp is for 10 years, usually 5 to 10 years, okay? That's like a standard. So just because you get the B1 visa stamp in your passport doesn't mean you can come to the United States and stay here 5 or 10 years, manage your business. It's illegal again, right? So you have to understand that. If you want to manage the business in the United States, especially if you incorporate your LLC or corporation, you need to get E2. If you want to get the PR, direct path to citizenship, EB5 is way to go. Keep that in mind that there are also limits. How many EB5 visas are issued? 10,000 per year. Okay, so with E2 there is no limit, there is no cap. Big deal, right? Because there is no cap, so many people get E2 visa, right? And that's why I'm focusing on E2 mainly, because I want to bring 500,000 entrepreneurs in the United States within the next 5 to 10 years. And I want to help them, empower you guys to create businesses, because I truly believe in entrepreneurs. I believe in entrepreneurship. I believe entrepreneurs are the future of this world. You are creative, brave. So that being said, if you want to become one, and if you want me to help you on your journey, there is a link. The link is about ImmigrationBiz/Accelerator, or the link is going to be below if you're watching me on YouTube. You can sign up. I'm launching new program in 2-3 weeks. You're going to be on the wait list and you're going to get notification when the program is launched. My goal is to get you from the idea to actual business. Okay? That's my goal. Like I said, there is no cap with E2. It's not like with H1B visa, right? The maximum people that can be granted H1B visa per year is 85,000. With EB5, 10,000. No such a thing. So if you want to start, if you want to really, really make it happen, you want to start small, you invest. If you don't have any investment, I was talking about last week what to do if you don't have any money right now available. So go back to my videos last week on E2 visa. What can you do? How can you make it happen? How can you start small? I was sharing number one hack, how you start small if you don't have any available funds right now. So if you are serious, guys, you will definitely go back to those resources and watch that. If you are not serious, you just want to watch video and then you're lazy to watch other videos and then you just email me, ma'am, I need help with this. Well, you can either pay for the consultation or watch those free videos. I mean, I don't want to be tough on you guys, but tough love is good if you want to make it happen. Because I've been there, done that. I'm immigrant, I'm entrepreneur, been through that journey. And if you really want to make it happen, gather the information. There are free information on my YouTube channel. There are free information. I'm providing this free training. Tomorrow I'm going to do bonus video for you. Next week, 3 days in a row, free training. Stay tuned. I'm doing free trainings the next 2 weeks for free. You can come here, you can ask the information, relevant information about the business, how you start. You have the options, you have the opportunity. If you really want to make it happen, you will make it happen. But don't expect to work with immigration lawyer for free. And I have to mention that. People read these different forums, blogs, whatever. They call me. But how come like you charge this? Like what's going on? There's a difference between a lawyer and a lawyer. Okay? So make sure you do your own due diligence before you actually hire someone. And you don't need to hire me. Like, I'm giving so much free stuff away. People actually sometimes ask me, like, are you NGO? No, I'm not NGO. I am not non-profit. I am all about profit, but I'm also about educating people and being real and being fair and giving you information so you actually make informed decision and nobody screw you over. Okay? Because I'm immigrant and I feel your pain because I've been through the pain. Recently, I've been through the pain. Okay, guys. I see so many likes, comments. You guys are laughing, hearts, whatever. I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Today I'm like in a flow. You can feel my energy. Okay, let me look at your questions, and then let me see the questions. Okay, WhatsApp. I'm not giving away my WhatsApp number. Can you imagine, like, I give away my WhatsApp number? Can you imagine, like, everyone's gonna calling, like, all the time? That's just not gonna happen. So if you want, you can watch free stuff. The link is above or below. If you need to contact my office at ImmigrationBiz.com. If you need to schedule a consultation, if you are watching me on YouTube, there is going to be a link below. If you are serious and you want to start the process, I'm launching the program specifically. The program is going to start in 2-3 weeks. You need to put your name on the list if you want to be notified about the program. The link is above or below. ImmigrationBiz/Accelerator. This is American Dream Accelerator program. So I'm not going to give away my WhatsApp number. If you're asking me for a WhatsApp number, it's not going to happen. If it's not going to happen, imagine I publicly disclose my WhatsApp number, everybody's going to call me and I'm not going to live. I'm not going to work. I'm not going to sleep. I hope you can understand that. What you're asking me is impossible. I'm not giving WhatsApp number. More information about my business, ImmigrationBiz.com. Okay? Now, any question, guys? I'm happy to answer them. And then I'm doing a live on Instagram and then I have a consultation. So shoot me the questions. If you are watching replay, let me know. You can always leave the comment below and I'm going to answer as soon as I can, I will answer your comment. And I see some comments in different languages, which I don't understand what it means because I don't speak your language. So if you want to leave the comment below and I'll get back to you and I'm going to reply. So again, this is for entrepreneurs. This is for game changers. I'm working with game changers. I'm working with people who want to change the world for the better. So if you want to create honest business in the United States, help people make money, change the world, this accelerator is for you. If you just want to come to US for the sake of coming to the United States, I'm not the right person for you. Okay? Now I have to be honest because I need to almost filter out the people who are not the right fit, because I want the right fit in my business. The reason is that if I work with the right people, I produce amazing results. It's very important for me to create the results, produce the results. So I hope you can understand that, guys. So I'm going to wrap up. Tomorrow I'm going to do bonus live training. Tomorrow is going to be about what's the process in case of EB5. So stay tuned. And if you are watching me on YouTube, I'm going to post the link that you can actually join the live tomorrow. Because on YouTube, people are watching replays. They are not necessarily watching the live streams. So I will post the link for the live tomorrow. And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day, guys. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.